What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at Curious Cat by Teresa. Here are the 5 parts of the video, and let's kick it off by me playing the piano. We will start it off with the dynamics, and let's use our imagination to picture the mood of this piece. Imagine there's a tiny little cute cat inside a house. Since no one is home, this little cat decided to venture around the house a bit. As the tiny cat explores around the house, he discovers many interesting things, such as toys, decorations, etc. After he explores, he went back to his usual spot for a quick nap. You can also create a story to help you visualize the music. Got something different? Comment below. So, from measure 1 to 4, we have a mezzo forte, meaning moderately loud, or loud but not too much. Then, we will have to play measure 5 to 8, mezzo piano, which means moderately soft, or soft but not too much. Then, begin measure 9 softly, and gradually becoming louder to measure 12. Follow me to measure 13. Notice the word subito next to the PP. This means quickly, so we will have to play the measure 13 very soft, quickly. And finally, slow down gradually to the end. Time for key signatures and other goodies. This piece has no key signatures and a 4/4 times, also known as the common times for its time signature. This means 4 quarter notes in a measure. As you can see, the composer did not put any descriptive words on how you should perform this piece, so you may use imagination for this one. Time for hotspots. Look at measure 14. At this time, you may be tempted to play the first 2 notes together. However, they are detached. Also, be sure to use your left hand for the last note as it says LH over, or left hand over. And hold it more than 4 beats because of the fermata symbol that looks like an eye. Now, how to practice? Well, start it off slow as always, and practice each measure hand separately. Somewhere around 50 beats per minute for quarter notes will be fine. If you mess up anywhere, do not move ahead but actually stop and learn it. Then, bring it up to the real tempo of 92. And if you want, even 104 beats per minute for half notes. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video or helped, drop a like and comment below. Be sure to come and email me any suggestions or questions. Email me down in the description. Till next time, practice smarter, not harder. See ya.